The 2025 Tata Cavivi finally makes its long-awaited debut, marking a significant milestone in Tata Motors' electric journey. Blending futuristic design with a sustainable heart, the Cavivi is not just an electric vehicle, it's a statement of intent. It stands proudly as a midsize electric SUV coupe, aimed at revolutionizing the perception of electric mobility in India and beyond. With its production-ready model now revealed, the Cavivi was positioned to challenge both conventional ICE models and modern EVs with a unique blend of style, practicality, and performance. At first glance, the design of the Tata Cavivi instantly grabs attention. The sloping roofline and sharp coupe silhouette offer a distinctive and sporty profile. Its front fascia is bold and futuristic, highlighted by a full-width LED light bar, signature DRLS, and a closed-off grille that adds to its aerodynamic efficiency. The rear gets an LED connected tail lamp treatment and a sculpted tailgate, creating a modern yet aggressive presence on the road. Tata has successfully carried over many design elements from the concept version, making this one of the most attractive EVs in its segment. Inside, the Cavivi is as modern as its exterior promises. The cabin features a minimalist dashboard layout with dual digital screens, one for the infotainment system and the other as a digital instrument cluster. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof elevate the cabin's ambience. Tata has integrated connected car technology, wireless charging, voice controls, and over-the-air updates, putting it on par with global EV standards. The rear seats are spacious, thanks to the long wheelbase and flat floor, another benefit of the EV architecture. Under the hood, the 2025 Cavivi was expected to offer a range of around 450 से 500 km on a single charge, which is competitive for its class. Built on Tata's Gen 2 EV platform, it supports fast charging capabilities, allowing the battery to be charged from 10% to 80% in just under an hour. Performance-wise, early indications suggest that the Cavivi will offer brisk acceleration and refined power delivery, typical of electric drivetrains. Tata has also focused on enhancing ride and handling, making the Cavivi suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. Safety has not been compromised either. The Cavivi is likely to come equipped with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, a 360-degree camera, and possibly level 2 ADAS features, depending on the variant. Tata Motors, known for prioritizing safety, will likely aim for a high crash test rating under global NCAP. What sets the Cavivi apart is its positioning. It's designed to bridge the gap between the compact Nexon EV and the larger Harrier EV, appealing to customers who want something stylish, futuristic, and practical in a single package. The expected price range makes it accessible to a wide audience, especially those looking for a feature-rich EV without compromising on looks or driving range. In conclusion, the 2025 Tata Cavivi was a bold step forward, blending innovation, sustainability, and style. It brings the concept car dream into reality, showing that electric cars can be aspirational, exciting, and affordable. With this launch, Tata Motors continues to lead the charge in India's EV revolution, and the Cavivi is set to be a game changer in the growing electric SUV segment.